Here is a beginner-level brand manager quiz that covers brand experience and customer journey mapping, brand partnerships and collaborations, and intellectual property and trademark management. Let's go! Question 1. Which of the following best describes brand experience? A. The number of advertisements a brand runs each year. B. The emotional and sensory interactions a customer has with a brand. C. The financial performance of a brand. And D. The legal registration of a brand's logo. Answer: the emotional and sensory interactions a customer has with a brand. Question 2. Brand experience is influenced by A. Customer service, packaging, advertising and product usage. B. Employee work schedules. C. Government tax policies. And D. The company's internal financial structure. Answer: customer service, packaging, advertising and product usage. Question 3. What is the customer journey in branding? A. The different pricing strategies used by a brand. B. The number of stores a brand has in different locations. C. The legal requirements for brand registration. And D. The process a customer goes through from awareness to purchase and loyalty. Answer: the process a customer goes through from awareness to purchase and loyalty. Question 4. Why is customer journey mapping important? A. It only applies to digital businesses. B. It increases the cost of marketing. C. It helps brands understand customer touchpoints and improve experiences. And D. It is only used for customer complaints management. Answer: it helps brands understand customer touchpoints and improve experiences. Question 5. Which of the following is not a step in customer journey mapping? A. Identifying customer touchpoints. B. Tracking customer emotions and experiences. C. Ignoring customer feedback. And D. Creating solutions for a better brand experience. Answer: ignoring customer feedback. Question 6. Which of the following enhances brand experience? A. Delivering consistent, high-quality customer interactions. B. Frequently changing brand messaging. C. Ignoring customer concerns. And D. Using random marketing tactics without a strategy. Answer: delivering consistent, high-quality customer interactions. Question 7. Brand partnerships refer to A. Hiring new employees in the marketing department. B. Two or more brands collaborating for mutual benefits. C. Creating a new logo for the brand. And D. Increasing product prices without customer feedback. Answer: two or more brands collaborating for mutual benefits. Question 8. What is a key benefit of brand collaborations? A. Avoiding digital marketing strategies. B. Reducing the number of customer interactions. C. Expanding audience reach and increasing brand awareness. And D. Ignoring market trends. Answer: expanding audience reach and increasing brand awareness. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of a successful brand partnership? A. A brand reducing its product quality to cut costs. B. A company closing all its physical stores. C. A business not engaging with its customers. And D. A fashion brand collaborating with a shoe company to create a new collection. Answer: a fashion brand collaborating with a shoe company to create a new collection. Question 10. Which factor is important in choosing a brand collaboration partner? A. Alignment in values, target audience, and brand reputation. B. The ability to reduce brand marketing costs. C. A company that has zero market presence. And D. A brand with no interest in long-term customer engagement. Answer: alignment in values, target audience, and brand reputation. Congratulations on completing the first set of 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is a risk in brand collaborations? A. Increased brand awareness. B. Brand reputation damage if the partnership is not well aligned. C. Improved customer engagement. And D. Higher brand equity. Answer: brand reputation damage if the partnership is not well aligned. Question 12. What is intellectual property, IP, in branding? A. A company's employee benefits program. B. A brand's financial performance. C. Legal protections for brand assets such as logos, slogans, and trademarks. And D. The marketing budget of a brand. Answer: legal protections for brand assets such as logos, slogans, and trademarks. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of intellectual property, IP protection? A. Creating social media accounts. B. Offering discounts on products. C. Changing brand packaging every month. And D. Trademarking a brand's name and logo. Answer: trademarking a brand's name and logo. Question 14. Why is trademark management important? A. It protects a brand's identity and prevents unauthorized use. B. It reduces the number of customers engaging with a brand. C. It ensures all brands use the same logo. And D. It removes the need for advertising. Answer: it protects a brand's identity and prevents unauthorized use. Question 15. What is the main purpose of a brand trademark? A. To make the brand less recognizable. B. To limit a brand's market reach. C. To legally protect brand names, logos, and slogans. And D. To prevent new product development. Answer: to legally protect brand names, logos, and slogans. Question 16. What could happen if a company does not protect its brand with a trademark? A. Competitors may copy and misuse the brand's identity. B. The brand automatically becomes more popular. C. Customers will ignore the brand. And D. The company will not need to market its products. Answer: competitors may copy and misuse the brand's identity. Question 17. Which of the following is an example of brand infringement? A. Creating a unique brand name. B. Using another company's logo without permission. C. Developing a new brand storytelling strategy. And D. Improving customer experience through better service. Answer: using another company's logo without permission. Question 18. A registered trademark helps a brand by A. limiting brand growth, B. reducing product innovation, C. making branding unnecessary, and D. providing legal ownership and exclusive usage rights. Answer: providing legal ownership and exclusive usage rights. Question 19. How can a brand maintain strong intellectual property IP protection? A. Regularly renewing trademarks and monitoring for infringement. B. Avoiding IP registration. C. Ignoring competitors' branding strategies. And D. Changing brand logos frequently without legal registration. Answer: regularly renewing trademarks and monitoring for infringement. Question 20. Which of the following is an example of brand licensing? A. A brand copying another company's identity. B. A company stopping all brand promotions. C. A company allowing another business to use its logo for a fee. And D. A business ignoring intellectual property laws. Answer: a company allowing another business to use its logo for a fee. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.